So are you looking to organize your folder? And even if you're not looking, I think it's time for you to organize that folder, especially if it looks a hot mess. Listen, organize your folder. This video will show you like how you can organize your folder and what you should do basically. Also, I'll show you guys all the CC I have in my game. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying hydrated. Here, my name is Rina and it's Darkwaifu. If you're coming back, welcome back. So a bunch of you guys requested on how I organize my mods folder. So this video will be about that, as well as like all the cast creators I use in my game, plus some small other tips when it comes to organizing your game or keeping your folder like neat. Okay. So first thing first, I'm going to show you guys how I organize my folder. I organize my folder by creator. That's the best way to organize in my opinion. So if I don't know a lot of mods from a certain creator, then they'll get their own folder. Or like if it's like heavy mod, then they'll get their own folder as well. So for example, I'm just going to quickly go through. At ɪନିର୍ᴏᴜ, they get their own folder because I have a lot of stuff from them. As you can see, like just look right here, you guys can see all the creators have their own folders, minus the folders who don't have like their own creator. So let us start with Turbo. Even though Turbo do have their own folder, but I also put my 괏ʀᴜ animation within this. So just put Turbo for now, and this is like basically all my NSFW mods. Like look at that, and then all the 괏ʀᴜ animation are in here, and then this is just like if like it comes with like CC objects, I just put them in their own little folder as well. So that's that. And what else can I show you guys that doesn't have like the name? And then okay, they have their own. Let's go up, and then pose and animation. For this I have like animations in here. All my animations are in here. And then this is just like if I don't know a lot of animation from a certain creator, I want to keep them in one place. So that's what I did. They have it, and then within the folder in there, I put CC. This is like what they use, like you know what comes with the animation, like that it needs to function basically. So each have their own CC within it. And then CAS pose, all my CAS poses are in here, and then all the animation CAS are in here. They have their own little folder as well. And then post packs, this is just for all the poses I have in my game, once again by creators. I have this for Mist. I put miscellaneous just because if I don't know a lot post pack for certain creators, but it's kind of upgrading. I might put them, they might get their own folder. So depending on how much CC I don't know from a certain creator, if it's getting big, then they'll get their own folder. It's like, yeah, you've been upgraded, gold star. Okay, so that's the post pack. And then pose animation, I'm so dumb. And then pose accessories, this is where I put all the accessories I need for poses basically. So all this is needed for the certain poses that comes with that accessory. Can I not pronounce English? Okay, so that's that for post pack. What else? Overrides. I have a folder. This is where I put all my overrides. You need the overrides folder. And then let me see. Oh yeah, map replacement. I put all my map replacement in this, everything here. Okay, gameplay mod. This is another folder because it's not named by a creator. So this is where I put all the mods that I don't have a lot from the creator. Like let's see Carl, I don't have much of their mods, so I just say, you know what, just pop it in here. It's a gameplay mod, so pop it in. Like as you can see, most of the creators in this, I don't have a lot of stuff from them, so I just pop everything in here basically. And then custom food, all the custom food minus ɪନିର୍ᴜᴜ and ᴏᴏ, because they have ɪନିର୍ᴜᴜ and ᴏᴏ have a lot of stuff that comes with it, so they get their own folder. But for custom food, I just plop everything here. I put mostly like the cookbook and like cooking objects in here, but then their recipes all go in their own little folder, like Insomnia, LBB, Uni, and Seriously. They all get their own little folder in there. And then all my food delivery mods are in here. And then I think that's that. Oh yeah, CAS mod. I put all my CAS mods in their own folder as well. Make sure your CAS mod has their own folder, just because it's easier to update stuff like opening screen, main menu, loading screen, I mean all that stuff, CAS defaults basically. So yeah, I put all that in there. And then I think that's that for that. And then build by, see, creators, always organized by creators. I put this here. For this is just like CC that I don't download from a lot of creators, if that makes sense. I literally been saying it this whole video. if I download CC from a certain creator and I don't have a lot of their CC, I plop it in here just because I don't want to give them a folder yet, because the folder is going to look so little, if that makes sense. So until their CC start getting a lot in my game, I'm like, you know what, let me upgrade you to your own folder. Yeah. And then downloaded mod lots. This is where, like, let's say if I download a custom lot, I just plop it in here. Like TH interior, I have a lot of their custom builds. So this is where I put all the CC that they use. And I just put I have this quarantine little folder here just because I recently downloaded a lot and my game was kind of tweaking. So I put all the new lots of CC I put in here, so that way I can find it, you know what I mean, I can just do 50-50 with just this in here. That's that for build by. And then for CAS, once again, this is how I organize. So I have occult, I have tattoos, I have sliders, I have simdom, we're going to simdom a bit, I have nails, I have makeup, I have horse CC, I have hair, I have genetics, clothing, accessories, SGLNY, PCC, second life conversion, and normal conversion. So we're gonna hop in simdom. So simdoms, whenever I download a simdom and I'm lazy to like organize it fully within my folder, I plop everything in here. So this is where all the CC from the simdom comes in. And then I'm not gonna go in makeup because I just plop makeup everything here, but I just make a folder for lashes just because you know, the lashes broke and I just wanted to put everything in one place so like I could delete and update basically. And here, once again, by creators, that is literally how I organize everything here, creators. And then this is just for creators I don't have a lot of stuff for. Basically, I need to plop this in here. And then let me just go into genetics. This is how my genetic is organized. So I have default, non-default teeth, all the teeth in here, default body in here, default eyes, default skin tone, beard, hairline, none body preset, none default eye, none default skin tone. And then creators, this is where all like stuff I don't know a lot from. So basically all these creators genetics are in here. And then misc is where I don't have a lot a certain creators genetics, I just plop them in here. So this is how I organize my my folder basically. I think clothing as well. You guys probably seen this my last videos, but creators, that's how I organize everything in my folder. And I think that's pretty much it for how I organize my folder. You guys can literally pause the video and look if you guys want, but yeah, that's literally how I organize my folder by creators. We're gonna move on now to all the basically CAS items I have in my game. I'm gonna use mod manager just because someone was like they wanted to see like if certain stuff is maxes or if certain stuff is alpha. I'm just gonna let this load quick. Okay, so for this we're just gonna go through like hair, clothing, and that's pretty much it basically. So I'm just gonna show you guys my second life conversion folder. We're gonna I'm gonna link where I get my second life conversion here from in the description, so if you guys want to see it. So these are mostly all the creators I use. So Dux, Faga, Monso, Rama, Synticlia, Stealthy, True, and Visco. This is majority like the main people I look at. So guys, if you want to pause the video and look, then by all means. So we're gonna hop in the creator now. You're gonna see all the creators I use in my game. I'm just gonna let it quickly load. Okay, so it just loaded. You guys can pause the video once again and just make a note of the certain creators. So this is all the creators I have in my game basically. So I probably won't be talking for this little segment. I'm just gonna slowly scroll down. You guys can pause the video if you want, and obviously you guys can see from the pictures that whether if it's alpha or max is max basically. Okay, so the next part is how to move category for CC. Like let's say you download a swimsuit, right? But why is it in winter clothing and why is it in everyday, or like why is it in, let's say, party or formal? I'm gonna show you guys how you can move your CC to different categories. Open Sims 4 Studio, it'll look like this, and then you click my CC. When you click my CC, this will pop up, and then we're gonna find what we want to change. So let's say, for example, right, let's just go in, let's say I'm just gonna go in something random, right? Click what you want. Like let's say, bear in mind, let's pretend this is the bikini bot or like the bathing suit. So this is it. So you can scroll all the way down here basically, and then you can untick and you can tick. Like for me, this can go in every day if I want, or you could be like, this is more sleeper, you know what I mean? Or you can say, okay, this is something party, you know what I mean? So you can untick and tick where you want it to be. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in sleep. So when you do that, then you click apply to all swatches, yes, okay, and then save. Always make sure you save and apply to all swatches for it to, you know, work correctly. So this is how you change the categories. You can pick what you want. You can untick, like if it's the bathing suit, as we're talking about, we're going with the context of that. You see all this is tick for the bathing suit, and you're like, bro, it's not even swimsuit on. Just untick, 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 and then you click your bathing suit, swimwear, and then you click save. Make sure you click apply to all swatches though, I forgot to say that. Apply to all swatches, and then you click save, and that is literally how you move CC category. Now, the next thing I forgot to mention in my last video is how to find a creator's display number, you know. So if you plan to organize your CC by creators, like based on my previous video, and you don't know how to find the creator's display number, I link it in the description, but it's like mostly like words, you know what I mean? So this is like what's the word, this is visually basically. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it basically. So you find what you want, like let's say for example we're trying to find what display number belongs to them. Let's find, you just click this, left click, open with Cinema Studio, and you wait for it to come up, and then it'll pop up like this. All you have to do is click warehouse, and then this will pop up. Make sure you're on CAS part. Always make sure you're on the first CAS part, and then you click display in the area over here, and then you'll see it basically. You'll see the number that's assigned for the creator's CC. Boom, that's literally how you find the CC number display basically. So the next part is, this is regarding build by. So let's say you want to move build by categories, not categories, but like let's say you want to give your certain CC styles, because some creators, when they do create their CC, they don't take the style that the CC has. And right now I'm trying to like hopefully build like a Sanrio cafe or my Hello Kitty cafe, I don't know what, yeah, but like I want to be like a cute little cafe, and I want to see all my cute CC, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to select all the categories that, if the CC is cute, I'm gonna have to select that basically the style for it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, so that way you can kind of group your CC in one places. Like you have modern, you have like vintage, you have cute. You can basically select the CC where you want to put that, and then when you're in game build by, you can filter it based on those type of aesthetics basically. So go in your build by, let's use Lindian, just because Lindian have a lot of cute little stuff. So we're gonna use something by Lindian. So you find what you want to find, right? And then you click Cinema Studio, wait for it to open, and then once it open, look like this. Click Studio, and then this is cute, right? This is super cute. So all you have to do is add a style. See, sometimes CC creator, they don't add a style. These are all the styles that you see, and these are all the styles you can filter by when you're in build by. So we're gonna put it cute, just because that way I'll find all the cute CC. So I'm going to probably do this for all my CC. Am I going to do it now? I don't know. I might get lazy. I plan to do it one day though. And you can add multiple as well, but I want only one. That way I want to find specific CC that's cute. Do you get me? If you want to find specific CC that's modern, then you'll only select modern as well. And once you do that, you click apply to all swatches, yes, okay, and then save. If it's vintage, I'm gonna have to pick vintage. If it's farmhouse, I'm gonna have to pick farmhouse. But my UI, guys, I'm doing it 50-50. But you just click this, and then you click, where's the style? You go up, or click style. And then remember, when you sort stuff, you can pick what you want. So with this way, you can at least kind of organize what you want. And then cute, and then look, it showed you all the CC that are marked as cute. And with this, you guys can decorate more easily. I feel like, you know, you can find stuff that you want for a certain build. Like look at that, I love this. And then you'll find all the cute stuff. And then I feel like if you go on clutter, let's go on clutter. But mind you, I haven't marked stuff. These are just the stuff that the creators have marked already. But just imagine the stuff that you'll mark, that you download, like super cute. So as we're nearing the end of this video, I'm just gonna do a quick summary of what I do basically, like when it comes to like download the CC and organize. So first thing first, what I do is download the CC. Obviously, when you're downloading CC, I put it where it belongs. So if it's CAS, I put it where it belongs. If I don't know CC by Aladdin, I put it there. If I don't know CC by Adrian, I put it there. That's the first step. You put it where it belongs, organize it. Or if it's a thing like mostly built by, I won't lie, it's mostly built by 괏quarantine. You can make a quarantine folder and you can put it there. But if you want to straight organize, then you can just put it where it belongs. So after we organize it, put it where it belongs, right? Then next thing I do is check for duplicates. I use Mod Manager. Oop, did I close it? Well, it don't matter. I use Mod Manager. You guys can watch my previous video. I'll probably link there to find duplicates. So I check for duplicates using Mod Manager, and I use Sims 4 Assistant to check for duplicates. After I finish check for duplicate, then I batch fix using Sims 4 Studio. If it's a case that I downloaded like CAS CC, I disallow CC for random. People always complain that, oh, my Sims townies are always walking around looking crazy in the CC. Girl, boy, whatever you identify as, listen, this is what you do. Always batch fix. CC disallow random. So I do disallow for random, and I do CC shoes for barefoot. You know, if they're supposed to be barefoot but they're walking around with shoes, like, what are you doing? That. And if they're wearing clothing in the shower, then disallow CC for shower. So that's what I do for clothing. And if it's objects that I don't know a lot of, I batch fix everything here. And if you're on DX11 and you download like a build by CC or something CC that's like old, not when I say old meaning like it came out before DX11 rolled out, then make sure you do this as well, batch fix for DX11. So, and then after that, use this program called bulk renamer. Like, but I only use this for like BB because I have a lot of build by folder. I mean, I have a lot of build by objects. I'll show you guys the size of my folder when I'm done, like when we're at the end. But I have a lot of build by, so I always, they say apparently if it has like this, I'll do this style, but they say apparently if you have like special characters and a lot of space and special characters in the file name, then it'll take a while for the game to load, or it'll take a while for the game to read it. So I just always open build by rename, and then if it has stuff, just click this PC and it'll show you blank space, and then you can just drag and drop everything. To get rid of the spaces, like to make it not have spaces, you click select all and then you press space bar one time, rename, boom. See, over here it shows you the new name. It got rid of all the spaces. Next, I do the bars that get rid of all that. And then, so this is me just getting rid of all the special characters for like let's say if it's Korean, Chinese, or Japanese, that don't matter. Those, I don't think those will slow down your game or anything, so you don't have to get rid of that. I just get rid of just the special characters basically. So bar, we're gonna do it until all the special characters are out of the name, and that is literally the process. And then when I'm done, I just start the game. So that is my little process of like downloading CC and organizing CC. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, that was a mouthful. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stay hydrated. Big sloppy kisses. Bye bye.